Hi, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. Google has released its first developer preview of AndroidPIT. So far it's only available for Google Pixel phones, but luckily we do have one in the office, and of course we just picked it up, installed AndroidPIT and had a quick look at the new system. So here's what we found so far. Google has added some new design accents to the developer preview. This is immediately noticeable in the notification bar, where Google has reworked the functionality, making it easier to see whether Wi-Fi or Bluetooth have been activated, for example. The curves on the individual menus look nice, and the submenus have disappeared, which is a welcome change. Google has also changed the arrangement, and you can now swipe up and down instead, which works surprisingly well, especially because you're unlikely to accidentally close the notification bar this way. So you're one of the lucky ones who actually owns a Pixel and is already waiting for the AndroidPIT update? Well, you're missing out of one key feature. But Google has you covered. It actually includes in AndroidPIT a notch simulation in different sizes and different shapes, so you can try it out for yourself and have some fun with it. This is mainly intended for developers who can use it to simulate what their applications look like on a device with a notch. You can activate the simulation either in the developer settings or as a device theme in the display settings. Let's see if the Pixel 3 will indeed come with a notch. Screenshotters, take note. You can now add a few arrows or text to your screenshots with a markup app, which can only be found in the context menu of a recently saved screenshot. Currently, this app is only available on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. In the settings, Google has banished the boring gray and introduced some colorful setting icons. This is definitely a nice feature. Only basic information can be seen for both battery consumption and for individual apps. As a consolation, you can now adjust the control of the power saving mode and start it automatically as soon as the battery power gets low. So as you can see, there are not a lot of new features and nothing really big, but it's a first developer preview, so we have to give Google time to work on it, and perhaps they're gonna find something really cool for us. We know that every Android version has something big, some improvement, some new feature, and we haven't really seen that in AndroidPIT so far. But overall, it works really flawlessly, to be honest. For the first developer preview, of course, there are some issues with like notifications and stuff, but that's really expected for a developer preview. Whenever we find something new, something cool, we're obviously gonna let you know. So follow us on YouTube, follow us in the blog, follow us on the social media channels, and yeah, see you next time.